What is up, fishing addicts? On today's video, we will be fishing Banner Marsh for my tournament. Um, I somehow messed up the footages when I was going um, to Door County. I did not download all of it, and some of it was still on the camera. And the day of um, travel, I deleted. I formatted my SD card. So we're gonna have. I had to make do with whatever images I had. I am missing a lot of footages from my back camera, mainly that because it records all the time. So I had to clear up some of the images, and uh, I deleted some okay footage, I guess. Um, and I did delete actually the pretty intense ones as well. But bait wise, I was keyed on the swim jig bite was good for me. I wasn't too sure about the top water bite until the second day of practice, and I couldn't. I did put the pattern together, but then it was some boat ramp talk and what else, and I just the situation got out of hand when I was fishing, and there was an unfortunate event as well, and it kind of took me off the game for about 2 hours. Uh, but it's no excuse. I did not do as well as I should have done. First day of practice, I nailed a couple of them. Second day of practice, I eliminated uh, baits and water. And third day, I just caught one fish and just cruised around, tested the motor, how much I can run, and all that. I didn't quite fish the third day at all, except I caught a nice big one and just left it there. But still need to figure out the microphone issue. I did notice sometimes when I'm dropping my kayak to the water, the microphone gets disconnected, and I get quite a bit of disappointment audio from my front camera. The back camera, I did lose, I did damage the adapter, so I gotta get a new one. Or most likely, I will get a different camera. It will not be a GoPro. I wish Sony made action cameras, but I am on the market for a new camera, probably for the back. I do enjoy my Insta 360s, but um, there is some stuff that it's pretty annoying, and it is at this point I just want to move on to something else. I do enjoy their video quality, and that's about it. It is easy to use and not complicated to uh, upload and whatever, but um, they do have a lot of bugs. I am a little bit of disappointed on that, but that's it, guys. Please do enjoy the video as much as you can, and I am going through my Door County footage, so that will be another video coming up probably this or next week. I'll have a couple of videos to upload, and I want to go back to regular uploads and stuff. It was a hectic month for me, hectic couple of weeks with the tournament and stuff. Uh, it was crazy, but enjoy the video. That's it. Let's go get her. Big one, big one, big one, big one. Oh yeah, big one. Oh, finally a big one. The rain just stopped. What's going on here? Oh, feisty one too. Feisty one for sure. Look at that. Beautiful bass. Beautiful bass, beautiful bass. So what I'm doing right now is I'm on like 4.5 water, just casting into whatever I can see. And anything dark, any moss, whatever I can. Alright guys, looks like the bite is on. Rain just stopped. Take a look at this. Beautiful, chunky pre-spawn bass. Practice. Come on. Not bad. 18 inches. Gonna let this one go. There, go straight inside the moss. Well guys, I'm gonna try one more area and then move on to different spots, see what else I can get. I really gotta figure out this board situation. It's kind of annoying, and the microphone also, it's annoying. I guess. Alright, like I said, I'm gonna try one more spot a little bit further down. Now I have a basic idea what the fish are doing and where they at, and maybe put away my rain gear. This casking rain gear, it's in clutch, to be honest. Real impressed, and the price was awesome too. So let's go explore. We can be the door of the explorer today. Couple of fish. Got it on the crappy pattern jig, to be honest. Last couple of jigs. But looks like this is holding up. Maybe I'll try a bluegill pattern. and the line is free.
That's a big one. Chicken?
Nope. Wake bait.
No shit. Holy fuck, dude, that's a big one. Come on the side of you nice and gently. You're there, you're there. I'm just gonna push your poles away.
Holy crap. You got it?
Yep.
Oh my god. What's going on here? I don't want this thing to thrust.
That's a 5-pounder, right? Shit, looks at least close to.
Whoa.
Fat ass belly, dude. You know, this is the second time I came up to you and you caught a big ass fish. Did you never say, Chris, you caught that big ass 5-pounder too? Let me know if you want any other photos. That's real good. Oh, she's red on the tail too, so she's picking with the tail.
There we go.
That came out shallow water too. 1.5 feet.
Bro, all my fish.
Oh, the vertical too?
All my fish came from this type of water.
1.5, yeah, that's what I'm gonna chase with that fucking power. That's nice, Russ. Really nice, man. That's what we need. Tomorrow, non-stop, bro. Five on the money?
5.02.
That's badass, dude. I think I was taking action photos, so I might have got it right when she like she made her first initial flight.
Ben!
What's that?
10-pounder!
Who's that?
Ben. Holy shit.
Alright, buddy. I'm heading off to my little areas, okay?
Alright.
Good luck, man. That was awesome catch, bro.
Alright guys, what I was doing is I was using a wake bait, casting it into the shallows. I'm fishing about 1 foot to 1.5 to 2 feet of water, and they're inside that green moss, and I just keep on casting to the shallows and retrieve it slowly as much as possible. I got my motor running at 4 to 3%. With the wind, usually that keeps me about a little bit over 1 mile. I can't go any slower than that. Otherwise, the wind turns me. But man, holy crap! Heck yeah! First one of the day. First one of the day, boys. First one of the day. Oh yes. Hey, you okay? Are you trying to Hold on, let me call you back. All right, guys. First tournament of the year. Uh, yeah, I messed up a lot. I didn't practice that hard or as I should. Did my due diligence, and some information I ignored, like being a 60 boat bass tournament on the lake that I wanted to fish. Um, I was keyed on the knowledge I sustained from fishing day, pre-fishing day 1 and 2. I didn't even beat up the water, saving it, saving it for tournament day. I mean, it was biggins and biggins and biggins. Come tournament day, the weather changed, everything changed, but the bass tournament, the boat tournament was still there. So I caught a couple of fish in the morning, two of them in the board, and 2 dozen that didn't make it. and the boats arrived, and they start beating up the spot. And I forgot my shades, so I had to go back to the car because I can't really fish without. I can't be outdoors without glasses. It burns my eyes. I'm very sensitive to the light, to UV actually. Sunlight don't bother me as long as the UV index is low. But man, the UV was bad and my eyes were burning, and it was not comfortable. So I grabbed my stuff, and it just did not work out for me. I got bad news on the water. It was kind of a little bit um, scary, but that got fixed up, situated. So overall, the tournament, it did not work out for us, but I am optimistic for the second one. I'm ready to put in 110% on the next one. So that's it, guys. I'll catch you guys on the